Right, thanks for watching. This is Doug's Open Classics. My name's Doug. So today I happen to be at North Weald car show. I've just met Chris. Well, I bumped into Chris, who organises North London rides. I would absolutely recommend going to any event that Chris organises. They're always very well put together. The mix of cars and the people are great. But in all honesty, Chris is much better placed to tell you about what he organises.
Appreciate it, Doug. Thank you.
No worries.
Yeah, we do. We set up as in last year, but on the 10th of January, we decided to put a little bit of a club together. We started off at 2 Greedy Pigs in Harlow. Fantastic location. I wanted to stay there for so much longer, but unfortunately we outgrown it, which is really
I
good.
can see that happening.
But it turned out the burgers were fantastic. Big up 2 Greedy Pigs for letting us use their car park. Then we've moved. We've got on events each month, coffees and cars, static location, come down and chill. We do at some locations have a little bit of audio playing to let people have a little bit of a sound off. There has been at some location we've had a little tiny bit of a rev just to put on for the crowd there, but most of the locations are like here today, just static. Come down and chill, bring your pride and joy down every month. Follow us on our platform, North London Rides, on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube. We've just started up as well. So yeah, come and support us, come and bring your pride and joy. We're mainly based in the Essex area, so if it's a little bit of drive, just make sure we're on the day and things are happening, but do come down. If you follow our platforms, there's plenty of other events we go to and we post up about, so please share it out. And appreciate Doug for coming down and doing this with us. Appreciate you.
No, it's all good. Look, thank you so much for that. As I say, I can't recommend it enough. They're always really good events. Always the people are so nice, and it's just a mix of cars that attend as well. So thanks very much for that. I will definitely see Chris soon at one of his other events. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Keep safe, happy motoring, and I will see you soon. Thank you.